Me, Chaos. Hey, nice though.
Oh, I know. You gonna make him go sit down or what?
I'm gonna make him sit down.
Oh no, there he goes.
Yeah. Got him. Don't even think about it scratching that. Just scratches that.
Oh, did he? When you got him now? You got a hold of him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where's he going? You gonna let him just stand there?
He's going in the left.
Oh, okay. You gonna sit down with him and make him stay in here? Okay. Oh, there he goes. Here.
Yeah. I'm going in.
There you go. Is he gonna stay there?
I think.
You think? No, maybe not. Hi, Chaos.